The NFT we are going to check today is a YoudleDAO NFT. Right now, they only have the Udl tickets, so actually we didn't see the NFT yet, it's just a ticket. However, very soon we are able to see the NFT, the real NFT. So the Udl tickets right now, you can check the floor price is 9.5, close to 10 KSM. You probably cannot imagine 1 month ago, it is still 1 KSM. And so they make announcement and they said the tickets is nearly 10 times over the last month. NFTs are that is ever happen here. The NFT is still the legend in the YoudleDAO at least. So I actually made a few videos before, so if you go to YouTube, you can search YoudleDAO and you will see I actually make the video. So I would like to congratulate those who check my video and probably get the Udl ticket. And so now you almost make 10 times. I made a video about the YoudleDAO. I also showed the tutorial how to get the Udl ticket. And there are less than 100 views actually. So I made another video about the YoudleDAO Discord server. So again, we have less people view this, check this video. But in this video, actually, I talk about the Discord server and who are there. So who are in the Discord server. And when I make the video, actually, it gives me more confidence about the NFT project, because when I see those big guys in DotSama, they are all joined. So I know this should be something, right? Of course, it could be just by Nike. Yeah, I just randomly check this one. And so there will be more people now. One day ago with Pnin, he did a very good job introduce the DAO, the YoudleDAO NFT, their connection, right? So everything, and you can see the views. There are 300 people at least view that in one day. So a lot of people now, they know this project. So now in this video, we will also think about what kind of things, why it can go 10 times, and can we learn from that? In the future, can we find the next 10 times NFT? Of course, the YoudleDAO could go 100 times as well, right? So my idea is in the bull market, normally we don't need to check the technique very much, because it's a bull market. Whatever you did, there are just too many people. They are trying to enter the field. However, in the bear market now, people start to look at the technical part, what kind of techniques you have. So if you simply just make one NFT connection without any utility, that may not be very good. And in the bear market especially, people may not buy anything. So we will actually need to learn what makes this NFT super popular now. So they post something. So the YoudleDAO, they post a Twitter thread actually 2 days ago. I didn't make the video that day because I was just checking some other things. I checked these tweets actually, and it's written very well, and the user technology is quite innovative from the InverArch network and Tinker Parachain. And so it's a very powerful DAO and also NFT. So what is a DAO? They also explain that the DAO is is one is organization, right, that act autonomously over themselves as decentralized bodies. So the important part is here, decentralized. So the DAO is decentralized, and how they can actually combine those two, like a DAO and also the NFT. So that's quite interesting. There are many different kinds of DAOs, of course, and they focus on the project incubation and the support service. What kind of support? They will support the emerging and the early seed project within DotSama, and I guess it's related to NFT as well. So they will provide the service. So in the figure, you can actually check it here, the YoudleDAO. They do have the DAO brand, right, with supporter, designer, marketer, and they also have creator, and they have developer there and with their treasury. So this is overall like the design. Now let's see what kind of other things interesting. Some other thing is the YoudleDAO. They are built using a lot of technology. It's not just from one parachain. Actually, they are using the technology from the Remark, from the Fana network. That's another parachain in DotSama, and the Emerge. That's their parachain. So they make a tweet, and I actually make a video talk about this tweet before. It's also quite interesting. So the cool part is they are going to have this decentralized DAO, right? And that will make a Discord bot, which is decentralized as well. So it's a decentralized Discord. So you will have the NFT, and your NFT will on the Discord, which is amazing, right? I never think about that. I know the Discord, and I'm actually I can build some Discord bot. But when I see the idea, they want to make the Discord bot decentralized. That is amazing. So we can do a lot of things now with if you are the holder of the DAO, right, with NFT. Now you can have a control on the Discord by just owning the NFT. I'm just quite curious how they will finally make it happen. So this is probably the thing, why the technology is quite inactive, or people start to look at that. And so the actual Discord interface, they are going to provide server access, and so it will determine which channel in the server a user can enter. And so that means it depends on what kind of user NFT you have. You can go to different channel. So this is all decentralized, which is amazing, because normally the Discord server, there would be the admin. They have to have control that, right? It's centralized, more like centralized, but it's cool, they're going to make it decentralized. And so the Udl NFT, they have three primary purposes, show the Emerge technology, show the DAO, and the NFT. So it's amazing. They are going to put all of those together. So you can see those kind of different the different traits, right? They are all equipable NFT resources, and I'm looking forward to that. I don't know what kind of resource I'm going to get, and the base one, they have different attributes that will bond to it through its NFT metadata, like voting power, access level, base reputation, limit, and group. So you can see it from here. This is just like the soulbound NFT proposed by Vitalik, I think. That's just like NFT. They have some property that you cannot sell. So this will bond to that NFT. And now you can think about the base, right? The base is a soulbound, and then you will have the equipable NFT. That will be different kinds of different kinds of accessories, and the Udles, you can even have a theme songs. So I'm looking forward to that as well. So these are now the members to build their own Udles to whatever degree they are able to on different resource and the accessories. And there's another thing about the Rainbow Rare Udle NFT. So the Rainbow, they have a Rainbow ticket, and they said this Rainbow, they are going to have some like enhanced experience for the member, so they can boost. So like here, right, they can boost the voting power, the reputation. Yeah, I personally like this kind of red laser eyes. I guess a lot of people like it. This one is also good, but they have different access level. So I guess this might be random. I don't know whether I can choose that or not, but definitely the Rainbow rare items, they are quite interesting. They can actually help you to earn some more U. So I don't know, is that you a token or something? So you are going to earn something with the help of the Rainbow, and then like if this is a token, that would be amazing. So you will have the token. It's just like the Bored Ape, they have the ape coin. So looks like they are going to have the token, then you should have the NFT, and then you are going to earn the token. So this is the Rainbow Air is also the only way to augment a member's experience within the DAO. So it can be extremely valuable. They said that. Okay, they said it's extremely valuable, and you can use the Rainbow Rare item. You will be more powerful than the DAO's creators. That's awesome. And they talk about the total number of trade. And now the important thing is what's next. So next we will have the first week of October. So they are going to have the bonfire. So looks like we're going to see what kind of NFT we're going to get, but they're going to announce everything this Friday. And if I remember correctly, they also talk about the Tinker like airdrop, and the Tinker token. There is also another interesting one is the first Polkadot native liquidity bootstrapping pool. So from the Email Arch for the Tinker. So they are going to work with Hydra DEX, the other parachain, like to do the bootstrapping together. So they are going to have the LBP, and they are going to use, I think it's Basilisk, okay, parachain. So if you participate, I think there might be some Rainbow ticket for all the top contributors. So it's worth to check more details. Of course, we have to check all the details. And you know, the Rainbow ticket right now, the floor price is also like 15 KSM or something like that. And the launch date would be October 12th, and the ending would be October 15th. And so those are the future things we're going to see. And so overall, like this video, we talk about the YoudleDAO NFT, and we share the good news, right? The floor price is great on the current market. I feel it's extremely successful, but I think more importantly, I hope we can learn from this. Like we can learn like how it happened. We should spend more time focus on the technical part, and also we will learn the lesson, like in the future, if there is another new NFT, then we can catch the opportunity. And so, well, I think that's pretty much all about today's video, and we go over the important updates from YoudleDAO. So hopefully you'll like it, and I hope all of you the best, and see you next time. Bye.